What's up, everyone? Keeping your car battery in top shape is easier when you have the best car battery tester that gives you quick and reliable results anytime. Today on Best Product, we're checking out the Topdon BT200 car battery tester. Let's get started. If you have ever faced a car that just would not start, you already know how frustrating battery problems can be. The Topdon BT200 car battery tester is designed to take away that guesswork and give you clear answers in seconds. It works with both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries, so whether you drive a small car or a larger vehicle, this device has you covered with dependable performance. What makes this tester really useful is how it reads your battery's condition using smart conductance technology. Instead of just giving you a simple yes or no result, it shows detailed information about battery health, performance, and overall condition. This means you can catch problems early before they turn into bigger issues, saving you time, money, and stress down the road. Using the device feels simple and straightforward, even if you are not a car expert. Once connected, it guides you through the testing process step by step. You can check your battery, run a charging system test, and even perform a cranking test to see how your engine starts under real conditions. These tests help you understand if your battery is strong, weak, or needs replacement, all without needing a mechanic. Another great thing about the Topdon BT200 car battery tester is its focus on safety and reliability. It comes with reverse polarity protection, so even if you accidentally connect it the wrong way, it keeps both you and your vehicle safe. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as experienced users who want a hassle-free testing experience. The build quality also feels solid and durable, which is important for a tool you might carry in your car or use regularly in a garage. It is compact enough to store easily, yet strong enough to handle daily use without worry. Whether you are a car owner, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who works with vehicles, this tester fits perfectly into your routine. In real life, this means fewer unexpected breakdowns and more confidence every time you turn the key. You no longer have to rely on guesswork or wait until your car fails. Instead, you stay one step ahead with accurate information right in your hands. Take control of your car's health today with this smart tool. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing finds.